Hello friends, this is a crochet heart keyring for Valentine's Day, and you can give it your loved ones. Let us start how to make this crochet heart keyring. For this button you will need 3.5 mm crochet hook and cotton thread, key ring, metal or fiber ring as per your choice, and some beads. Let us start from slip knot. Make 4 foundation chains, and then I am going to the 4th chain from my hook and make 1 double crochet. First 3 chain count as a first double crochet, and this one double crochet, and you make 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. Then 1 chain, go to the same stitch and make 3 double crochet. One chain, 3 double crochet in the same stitch. One chain, 3 more double crochet in the same stitch. One chain, and then I am going to the very beginning chain. This is the 3 chain. Here I am joining it with slip stitch. I am making total 1 2 3 4 space and 3 DC 4 times. 3 DC 1 chain, 3 DC 1 chain, 3 DC 1 chain, then 3 DC 1 chain. And now I am make 4 chains for next round, and then I am skipping that 1 2 3 DC stitch and go to the space and make 3 DC 1 chain and 3 more DC in the same space. Then one chain, skip the next 3 stitches, go to the next space and make 3 DC, one chain, 3 more DC. Then one chain and go to the next space and make 3 DC, one chain, 3 more DC. I have repeated the same stitch 3 times, and this is the last space. Here I am making only 4 chains, 1 2 3 and 4, and I am going to the space and make 1 slip stitch. Now I am making 1 single crochet in each stitch. Here I am making 4 single crochet, and then I am going to the DC stitch, make 1 single crochet in each stitch. This is the space. Here I am making 1 single crochet, then I am making 3 single crochet in each stitch, and this is the center of this heart. So here I am making, this is the space. Here I am making 1 single crochet, 2 chain, and go to the second chain, make 1 picot, and then you make 1 more single crochet in the same space, and then you make 1 single crochet in each stitch, you repeat it in this round, then you make 1 2, and here you make 1 slip stitch, make 4 single crochet and then 1 slip stitch, and then you cut the yarn, extra yarn, For next round you take some beads. Here I have used only two beads, and take some yarns. This is a 4-inch yarns, and then you go to the here and you insert this thread and now I am inserting this beads in this heart. So you insert your beads in your hook and pull through yarn in these beads. Take one more, and now you take your key ring and here you make one knot, simple knot tightly, and now you finishing your project. You finishing it very fairly and cut the extra. Yeah, and your key ring is ready. And thanks for watching my videos, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.